Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so for today's video, we are looking at the Google Pixel 9a and something that I found very interesting because I have two of these devices, right? I have my device and I have my wife's device. And it's so weird because my wife just recently got the Android 16 update, which released. And I was kind of surprised. So I just kind of wanted to clear things up for a lot of people out there that may be noticing something different, right? So with my Pixel 9a, when you looked at it through videos where I shared the Android 16 update that I took, which was actually beta. So I'm on QPR 1 beta 2. Before that, I was on the beta versions. And the thing that people may notice when you take the Android 16 update is that your device is not using Material 3 Expressive. So don't be alarmed if you take the recent update and it is literally just looking like Android 15, right? Not much has changed with the user interface because yeah, I was kind of concerned. Like my wife, she took the update. I was like, hey, did you take the update? She's like, yeah, I did. It just updated right now, just restarted. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, no way, you couldn't have taken the update. And I'm looking at her phone, like, the top, icons on the very top, the Wi-Fi and the signal, battery percentage, all that stuff, look just like Android 15. And I was like, what's going on here? But again, like I said, my wife is not on the beta. She didn't take the beta software. She doesn't go on beta software to test things out. She's not that kind of person. So I was like, okay, well, doing a little research. And yeah, if you're on QPR 1 beta, you're going to have access to Material 3 Expressive. If you're not on beta, then you're just getting the Android 16 features with the June Pixel drop on your Pixel device, but the user interface is not changed up. So what that is entailing is that Material 3 Expressive is not fully ready yet. And I would agree with that. It's not. Maybe there are some hiccups that people are facing with the new user interface. So they're going to continue to roll it out as beta and have people beta test it before anything, before a full launch of it. And I believe that the full launch of it is supposed to be later on this year, maybe like, end of summer, maybe during fall. That's what I know so far. So don't be alarmed if you're seeing a lot of people showing videos of their device on Android 16 with the latest drop, and your device upgrading to Android 16 doesn't have the Material 3 Expressive. It's not a glitch. Nothing's going on in the matrix that you need to be worried about. It's just that you're not on the beta version. The beta version will have access to this. Non-betas, they won't. So hopefully that clears up any questions, comments, concerns that people may have. But if you have more, drop them in the comment section of the video and smash the like button. I would definitely truly appreciate that. Thanks for checking out today's video, and y'all be safe out there.